Hi class! Today we are making a yummy recipe inspired by a dish from Brodard, a popular Vietnamese restaurant in Orange County. The super easy roast duck salad is a light and refreshing dish that can be made in large portions, perfect for potlucks and parties. First, we are going to take a pre-cooked half-roasted duck and heat it up. I bought this on Wii, the Asian grocery app, and it's super convenient. Use my referral link below to get $20 off your first order on Wii. First, add a dash of white pepper and some 5-spice powder and rub it into the duck. Then, pop it into the air fryer for 10 minutes at 380 degrees. Next, in a large bowl, add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of lemon juice. Take a banana blossom and chop it into thin strands. We will only be using half of a banana blossom. Add the strands into the lemon juice water mixture. This will help keep it from browning and preserve its pretty purplish color. Next, cut half a cabbage and shred it. Then, cut half of an onion into thin strands. A large serving bowl or container. I'm using a tin foil tray here because I'm bringing this to a dinner party. Add the onions and Vietnamese coriander. Then toss in the shredded cabbage. Drain the banana blossom from the lemon juice mixture and make sure all the moisture is squeezed out, and then toss it into the salad. Add half a cup of shredded carrots. Now the roast duck should be ready. Remove from the air fryer and slice into long bite-sized pieces. Add them into the salad and toss to mix. Next, we are going to crush some roasted peanuts. Add some fried garlic to the crushed peanuts and crush them together. Next, we will make the lime dressing. In a jar, add about 2 tablespoons of oligo syrup. It's a type of Korean corn syrup used for cooking. You can also replace with 2 tablespoons of sugar or monkfruit sweetener with 1 tablespoon of water. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Shake it up to mix. In another jar, I'm adding some sweet chili sauce you can get from the Asian market. I'm putting them into 2 separate containers just in case we are serving this to kids. I can leave out the sweet chili sauce so it won't be spicy. As a garnish, I am frying up some large shrimp crackers. These are huge when you fry them, and you can serve your salad in them for great presentation. It will also add a nice crispy texture to your salad. Now we're ready to put everything together. Toss the duck salad with the 2 sauces we made earlier and serve it inside a shrimp cracker. Top with the crushed peanuts and fried garlic mixture. Now serve and be prepared to get lots of compliments on this dish at the party. If you like this recipe, hit that subscribe button.